1 million subscribers. Lately, I've been thinking a lot. I've been rethinking YouTube as a whole about how do I make videos, of how much I stress not getting the perfect shot, the perfect condition. As you can hear, my heater is on and it sounds horrible for a video, and even how I look. Panza power! That means belly power. The point is that I sacrifice so much to be a YouTuber, to get crumbs back. Just imagine the Avengers movie, right? Now, I'm not saying my channel is of that scale, of course not. But just take the idea from it, right? Imagine you are the producer of the Avengers. You make all these things happen, doing all this effort, editing, money, advertising, everything. And then when you release the video or the movie, you get $500,000 globally. You hear me right? Globally. That's exactly how I feel. But here am I thinking, I think the G needs some gas. Let's go take care of that, and then we continue talking. There's a lot of variables that makes a big YouTuber, right? One, know how to express yourself and storytell. Two, have charisma as a person. Three, have a unique build, right? That will attract people only to you because you have that much of a unique build, right? Then fourth, what do you do with those builds, right? Because most people that have all those three things do use their builds. Either they mod them and then they sell them, either they mod them and then they go to the track, they drag race, they do ride-alongs, they do something with their build, right? And all of that together, you stir it up and you are bling successful on YouTube. Well, I just can't keep going the way that I am right now. Creating something unique from here to here to there is what, you know, it's what sets me off. It's like what keeps me going, like what I love to do, you know what I mean? I have to do this for me, first of all, right? For me, because I enjoyed it. And then second of all, I have to be mindful of the masses, right? As a creator, I had to put stuff out there to see how it would do. But as a creator, you have to do that so you can grow and eliminate things from your list so you could fine-tune your vision, right? So from now on, you will see more of the G, because that is the main star of the channel, the G35. And sometimes I wasn't even featuring for months. And I'm like, what am I doing? The G is the star? Actually, the star is me, let me tell you. It doesn't matter what car I have, the star is me, first of all. The second star is the G. You know what I'm saying? The third star is gonna be the Mature Sport. Fourth is gonna be my Odyssey, but the Odyssey is gonna be a family car. I told you guys I'm not gonna do that no more. I've made so many mistakes, but it's so important to make mistakes because I've learned from them. Now, if I did not learn from my mistakes, you wouldn't even have gone this far into the video. That's for sure. If you know, you know. Second, you will see videos that I am enjoying. Now, I'm still gonna experiment, test the waters, because that's what it's all about. Test the waters, see how it is, see if it's salty. If it's salty, you don't like it. If it's sweet, then keep drinking, right? But you don't know until you go. So that's what I'm trying to say here. Changes will be coming. If you wanna stay, then more power to you. But thank you for the love. But if you don't, sayonara, because I can't stay the same. I can't stay stagnant. I have to see progress. If I don't see progress, it's because I'm doing something wrong. Then another important change is that I'm gonna try to make a video every week on the same day, so you guys can look forward to that day to upload. Every Sunday or Monday, a new video. Bam. That would be a good change because people are not getting my notifications. And that's one way to fix that. So that is it. If you enjoyed the type of concept, please give a like on this video. And if you want to stay here and watch the new era of LuisMBuildz, then stick around because it's going to get pretty exciting. Until next time, guys, God bless. Stay prayed up. Very important. Peace. 1 million subscribers. Woo!